Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit step on Shopify because we have some limited some countries, that's why we can't edit our step payment gateway. So today I'm going to show you how to edit Shopify payment step gateway. So firstly you have to go to setting, then go to payment option, and you can see here is active Shopify payment is not available. Also PayPal is not active, so there have only option to edit is Stripe. So you go to see all the other providers, and you can see the lots of option. You just click here, search bar, and search the Stripe, STRIP. You can see they have no any option to step. So if have no any option to step, so how could you add it? So don't worry, I'm going to show you very easy way. Firstly you are going to store details, then go to address, here edit, and just wait, and you can see there is a country region United States. So United States type is not supported, that's why you have to change your country. So you go to the France. Okay, I'm selected the France, and you just save it. Okay, you just save it, and after that go to your payment option, and again go to see all the other providers, and again search here Stripe, STRIP. Okay, sorry, you can see here is the Stripe. Okay, I think you are seeing the step here. Okay, so you just click in the Stripe here, and after that you have to connect your mail and password. Okay, your Stripe mail and password. I just waited, I'm going to show you. And one more thing is that TeamDMagency is providing every day the secret things and the solving all issues. So if you are new in this channel, then subscribe our channel. Okay, so here you put the step mail and then password. Okay, no more here. Next time we'll be see you another video. Bye.